In this video, we are learning about Class 8 History Chapter 1 How, When and Where. In this painting, Brahmins are offering Shastra to Britannia. This is the frontispiece to the first Indian maps produced by James Rennell in 1782. He was asked by Robert Clive to produce Indian maps. Now, what is a frontispiece? Frontispiece is the cover page or the first page of the book. Britannia is the symbol of British power. She's like the goddess, British goddess. In 1773, first Governor General of India was appointed, Warren Hastings. In 1817, James Mill, a Scottish economist and political philosopher, published three-volume work, History of British India. He divided Indian histories into three periods, Hindu, Muslim and British. This was widely accepted all over the world. His tellings were that before the advent of British, Hindu and Muslim despots ruled India.